Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Elai.io, an AI video generator that promises to turn text into stunning videos. So is it worth your time and money? Let's find out together in this comprehensive overview. Right off the bat, Elai.io positions itself as a powerful tool that lets you create videos from just text using digital avatars. The premise is incredibly compelling for educators, marketers, or anyone looking to scale video content without being on camera. The platform boasts a wide array of features designed to make video creation seamless. You can choose from over 75 AI avatars that look surprisingly natural, or even create a custom digital twin of yourself for a more personalized touch. The real magic happens in the text-to-video converter. You simply type your script and the AI brings it to life with a speaking avatar. Beyond avatars, Elai provides a rich library of templates tailored for various needs like explainer videos. The ability to add your own slides, images, and video clips means you aren't limited to just stock assets, offering a good level of customization. They also support multiple languages and voices, which is a huge plus for creating content for a global audience. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While the AI voices are good, they can sometimes lack the full emotional nuance of a real human speaker, and you might occasionally get a pronunciation that sounds a bit off. The customization of the avatar's movements and gestures while present can feel somewhat limited if you're aiming for very specific and complex animations. The pricing, though competitive in the AI video space, might be a consideration for individual creators or small businesses just starting out, as the most advanced features are locked behind higher-tier plans. In conclusion, Elai.io is a robust and innovative platform that truly simplifies video production. For teams and businesses needing to produce a high volume of professional-looking videos quickly, it is absolutely worth serious consideration. Just be mindful of the learning curve and the cost if you're on a tight budget. Elai.io offers 4 main pricing tiers. The free plan includes 1 minute of video generation with all creator features. The creator plan at $23 monthly or $278 annually provides 15 minutes per month and includes full HD video. The teen plan, costing $100 monthly, offers 50 minutes per month and adds premium features like Ultra 4K HD and custom fonts. The enterprise plan is custom-tailored with unlimited options. Notably, the banking parameter is not mentioned or available for any of these 3 plans in the provided information. Thanks for watching. If you found this overview helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.